Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by framing and capturing the photo right away. Open the camera inside the app, pick front or rear lens, and tap to focus. Adjust exposure with a quick swipe. Make sure any desired filter or lens is active before you press the shutter because post-filter changes can alter mood. Once done, confirm the shot meets framing and sharpness standards. If you need a second take, do it now so you don't waste time editing later. You move from capture to preparation for sending. Tap the edit icons to crop, trim, or straighten, then tweak brightness and contrast so the subject reads well on phones. Add text, stickers, or a little drawing to emphasize a point, but keep overlays minimal so the photo remains clear. Once satisfied, press the attach or share icon and choose a single recipient or a group. Make sure the recipient is correct before proceeding because you complete the process by tapping send and watching the upload indicator. Wait for the confirmation or read receipt if the app provides it. If the photo fails to send, first retry the upload, then switch to Wi-Fi or toggle mobile data because network drops are the most common issue. If the file is too large, compress it or convert to a smaller format and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache and relaunch if problems persist. Then resend immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.